This world will no longer belong to the villagers. It will belong to those who take it, to those who raid. Under the banner of the pillagers, we will sweep across the plains, through the forests, over the deserts. Every village will burn. For the outpost, for the raid, for the pillager empire!
What is that noise? The bell! It's ringing again! They came for a trade once. Now they come for everything else. There's no running this time. No, wait! Guys! Look up! It's him! The hero of the village!